Imbalances of the second chakra may predispose you to developing chronic musculoskeletal pain syndromes later in life, such as low back pain or frozen shoulder. Can also get chronic abdominal pain conditions like irritable bowel syndrome or interstitial cystitis. The underlying emotions beneath these illnesses may stem back to early childhood, particularly in the days of the terrible twos, when as a toddler, if you felt safe in the first chakra and you're starting to explore the world and get your sense of freedom, what do the adults do? Well, they're going to say no and restrict your freedom. And that's going to be your first experience of true anger. Now, that anger can be triggered later in life, again, when your freedom is restricted by people or circumstances. And this can wind up becoming a chronic pain condition as that anger is trapped in your body. So in this video, we're going to release stuck emotions from the second chakra using emotional freedom techniques or EFT tapping, color breathing, therapeutic shaking, and self-hypnosis and imagery and visualization. We're going to start with a setup phrase, which is going to be, even though I have anger stuck in my second chakra, I deeply and completely accept myself. We're going to find the sore spots on below our collarbones. So go to the middle of your collarbones, work your way down onto the ribs. You'll feel hard ribs, then soft intercostal muscles. Find whichever aches the most, and we're going to rub there while we say this paradoxical affirmation 3 times. Even though I have anger stuck in my second chakra, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have anger stuck in my second chakra, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have anger stuck in my second chakra, I deeply and completely accept myself. Now we'll just start tapping on that soundbite phrase with the second, third fingers, or eyebrow point as it comes over toward the nose. You'll feel a little nerve there, a little tender. Tap 6 or 7 times, long enough to say the phrase. Anger stuck in my second chakra. Side your eye. Anger stuck in my second chakra. Under your eye. Anger stuck in my second chakra. Under your nose. Anger stuck in my second chakra. On your chin. Anger stuck in my second chakra. And then go to the collarbone bump, usually on the opposite side. It's just easier. Anger stuck in my second chakra. Under your arm, anger stuck in my second chakra. And below your breast, on the lowest ribs, you can find anger stuck in my second chakra. Top of your head, anger stuck in my second chakra. Deep breath in and out. Your favorite color coming in, healing color, and then angry color going out. I'm wearing orange, which represents the second chakra today, but your anger color could be any color. And now we're going to just switch sides and go from the desensitized step to the authorized step. And we're just going to go a little deeper into your experience of anger and symptoms. So start with the eyebrow point. Anger stuck in my second chakra. Side your eye. My bladder might be pissed off. Under your eye, I might have gut-wrenching anger. Or I might even have anger stuck in all my muscles, causing terrible chronic pain. And I've tried many drugs to suppress it, but I just wind up with side effects. And I wish I could get to the bottom of this under your arm, but sometimes I feel like my chronic pain is going to be there forever. It might not only be anger, it might actually be repressed rage. Deep breath in and out. Switch hands, we're going to go to the neutralized step. Start with the eyebrow point again and say, anger stuck in my second chakra. Side your eye. It's gone, I'm healed. Under your eye. I don't think it can be healed that easily. Underneath your nose. If it did work, maybe it's taking the edge off it a little bit. On your chin, but I doubt that anger can be released by tapping. I'm not sure tapping does anything. Down the collarbone. If it does work, that'd be great. On your arm, I would need some proof that tapping actually can release the anger and improve my pain. Blow your breast again. If it does work, I'll use it on all my aches and pains. Top of your head, I'm curious as to what effect releasing anger from my body will have. Deep breath in and out. Now we're going to switch back to, this is my visualized step where you're going to all positive now. So eyebrow point, I'm ready for emotional freedom now. Side of your eye, I'm letting go of all my anger. On your eye, I'm restoring my sense of freedom. Underneath your nose. If I get angry, I know how to release it quickly now. On the chin, my body can be like my biofeedback system. Collarbone, if I feel pain, it lets me know I have anger to release. On your arm, my body's feedback system will keep me on track. Below your breast, I've got a lot of self-healing to do. Top your head, and I'm going to have fun doing it. Okay, deep breath in and out. Now we're done tapping. We're just going to do a little visualization now. So close your eyes, breathe your favorite color into your body, have it go out through all your body, chasing whatever pain color you have away, out through your feet into the ground. And feel your favorite color coming down your arms. And shake it out through your hands and feet. And shake out everything you need to shake out. And let yourself settle down, scan your body, looking for any place where there's any pain stuck or feeling any anger anywhere. Any messages coming from your body right now. And now you can just, if you find a spot like that, breathe your favorite color down into that area to wash it away down into your feet. And now go to your favorite healing place out in nature where you can spend a minute or two doing some more healing work. And be there with all your senses. What's it smell like? What's it look like? What does it feel like? What do you hear there? And while you're there in that place, look down at your feet and around on the ground, looking for a healing object you can hold in your hand. Pick it up, and it will allow you to recycle any of the anger you want to let go of. So get the anger, any of the pain out of your body into that object, then release it back to the earth any way you like. Do a little ritual with it, allow yourself to heal. Turn that pain into compost. And now invite a healing spirit guide to come visit you in your place. Recommend a being from the other side, 3 choices: an angel, a spirit animal, or a wise ancestor. Have someone, that being, come and give you some words of wisdom now. Take the first one who volunteers. Thank them for their advice, and get in a time machine, go back into your past to a period in your life where you were pain-free, feeling comfortable in your body, and anger was at a minimum. Think of how far back in the past you want to go. Tune into that period of your life, and as if someone took a snapshot of it, and you're going to have a picture frame to put around it. You want to pick a color that represents how you used to feel back then. So put that color picture frame around your picture, breathe that color into your body where it needs to go, and put that picture up on your memory wall so you can go back and tap into it anytime you need it. And then project yourself into the future, and the time, not far in the future, but just a time when you really were experiencing a lot of pain and maybe some anger that was repressed. So think of that time in the not so distant past when you were having a lot of symptoms, and think about how you might rewrite that whole scene in a way that you would release the anger, pain would improve. So just think about what you might have done differently, as if there were a parallel universe out there where something completely different happened. And once you've rewritten that scene to your satisfaction, then project yourself into the future where you really are healed, your body feels comfortable, your anger is only there to remind you, you know, that you have some emotional processing to do, and the pain may give you a clue that you've got something to release. So see yourself in that future picture frame and put a color around your future self, and breathe that color into your body as well. And put that picture up on the wall next to the one from the past so you know where you've been and where you're headed toward. And then stretch and open your eyes and come on back. And we're going to do one more simple 3-step process to get you back into that future frame of reference. So squeeze your thumb, finger together, open your eyes wide, take a deep breath and hold it. And when you're ready, relax your hand and fingers, close your eyes, blow the breath out, and project yourself into that future picture frame of comfort with an emotional balance. And once you've done that, bring yourself back. You can get back there in 3 simple steps anytime you want. And I've got other YouTube videos which you can watch on the rest of the chakras, and also on a lot of other physical symptoms, such as low back pain or leg pain, frozen shoulder, and those are all there for you to use on my website, which is larryburk.com or letmagichappen.com. And there's also blogs and TEDx talks and books there as well. So enjoy your sense of freedom in the second chakra.